PSA-80 PRO by Omnirobotic. The right pressure makes all the difference. The PSA-80 PRO keeps it perfectly consistent, from coarse sanding to fine finishing. In this video, discover how Omnirobotic's pressure control technology sets a new standard for consistency, quality, and reliability in automated sanding. If pressure changes from one spot to another, you end up with uneven surfaces, swirl marks, or blotchy results after staining or painting. The PSA-80 PRO prevents that. Its force control system keeps the sanding pressure steady at all times, whether the panel is perfectly flat, slightly warped, or has variations in thickness. Here, the PSA-80 PRO moves through its full 40 millimeters of travel while pressing on a scale. Notice how the pressure barely changes. That level of consistency is nearly impossible to achieve manually. The FC40 unit uses two sanders, a 6-inch sander for large surfaces, and a smaller 3-inch by 4-inch sander that fits into corners and tight areas. Each sander has its own adjustable pressure, so both tools can work exactly as they should. The system also tracks which abrasive is installed and reminds the operator when a grit change is needed. And because abrasives wear out, the robot monitors their condition and asks for a replacement before quality drops. Robot arm sensors can't hold sanding pressure steady. The PSA-80 PRO solves this with its own high-precision force controller, keeping pressure perfectly consistent across the whole surface for uniform results every time. Media type, abrasive life, and pressure must all work together to maintain consistent surface quality. With precise control over each of these factors, the system ensures a flawless, repeatable finish. Consistent pressure, predictable results. Book a demo.